Hey YouTube family! Hi! How's everyone doing? I'm back again with another video. It's me, Kaya Journey. I feel like I have to introduce myself because, you know, my videos are becoming less consistent, but I'm trying to get back on the recording train for you guys. You already know the story. My regular life is a little bit hectic right now, but I'm trying my best. Welcome if you are new here, new subscribers. I've been getting a lot of new subscribers lately. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. We have a lot of fun over here. Get used to my personality. I'm sarcastic. I try to, like, you know, do things in a funny way. I don't take myself seriously. So welcome, welcome, welcome to the Kaya Journey family. If you're an old timer and I don't know the things set up already, I don't know things go over here so already, we do things loud and crazy and just extra AF. Anyway, I am here to bring to you guys the third installment of the Green Beauty for Us subscription box. As you guys know, this box was created by my friend Keisha Adinkra. She created this box out of a need, where it is a quarterly subscription box where you get green beauty products. If you don't know what that means, green beauty products are makeup, cosmetic, skincare products that have cleaner, greener ingredients that are healthier for your skin. So we have the summer box. You know, we already did the winter box. I'll link that video if you want to see it. We already did the spring box. The spring box, I think, was one of my favorite boxes. I'll link that video for you as well. And now we're up to the summer box, and the summer box is titled All Eyes on Me because it focuses on the eyes. Yes, all eyes on me. If you guys didn't know, that's a Tupac reference. She loves Tupac, so why not? I'm going to go through the products in the box quickly, not too in detail, because Keisha released her own video on her channel that goes through everything in the spring box already. So I just want to show you quickly what is in the box, not too detailed, but the main focus of this video is the eyes. This is the eyeshadow look that I created using the two eyeshadows and the eyeliner pencil that you received in your box. So if you want to see how to get this look, it's a look, that tutorial will be at the end of this video, where you can see how this, you know, I'm not a makeup artist. I mean, you guys, don't judge me too harshly. I'm not a makeup artist. I never claimed to be. I just like having fun with makeup, and you guys enjoy it, I enjoy it, and this is, you know, the inspiration that I got. And I use one of the eyeshadows in multiple ways. I use it as in the eyeshadow. I use it as an eyeshadow, a brow bone highlight, and I also use it as a highlighter. So multiple uses out of the products that are in this box. First and foremost, let's get into what you will get in the box, and then I'm going to cut to this look. First things first, we got the cards. All the, you know, informational cards are in the boxes. First thing you will get in the box is the Rejuvenating Under Eye Serum from the Facial Bar. But just to give you guys a tip, me personally, my under eye serums, I keep them in my fridge, only because I like that cool feeling under my eye in the morning and at night before I go to bed. And it also aids in also decreasing the bags under your eye. So keep it in the fridge if you have it, if you want to. I'm not forcing you to, but it's a great idea to keep it in the fridge, and that cool feeling is just perfect for the bags under your eye. Next items you will receive are the Pure Mineral Vegan Eyeshadow Set from La Cochina Naturals. And those are the two eyeshadows that I used to create this look that we have going on right here. The two shades you will receive, the two shades you should receive were Rosewood and Rose Gold. So definitely in the rose theme. Rosewood is more of a chocolatier brown. Yeah, definitely a chocolatier brown, and Rose Gold is definitely it's more of a peachier, rosier gold shade, obviously. From the Green Beauty for Us product line, and this makes me so happy because, you know, the premise of this box is to introduce you to different companies that offer green beauty products for people of color. But Keisha came out with her own product as well, and this is the Green Beauty for Us Onyx Poetry Black Eyeliner Pencil. So congratulations, Keisha, on slowly but surely bringing out your own products. I'm rooting for you. You know, I'm rooting for you since day one. Congratulations. So make sure you guys pick up the Green Beauty for Us Onyx Poetry black eyeliner pencil. It was also used to create this look right here. Keisha is slowly but surely bringing out other products on the website as well. So not only the eyeliner pencil, she also has other products that are from Green Beauty for Us, that brand, on the website as well. So definitely check it out. This product you will receive in the box. So it is a natural deodorant spray from the company Sage and Ivy, and it's the lemongrass and tea tree scent. If you guys wear natural deodorant, this is a great company to try. I've never tried a spray deodorant. I do use natural deodorants. Let's see how this one goes. It's summertime. It's hot. It turn up and by the heat that killing me here in New York. Hot, but rude. New York heat turn up bad and hot really bad. It's a great time to test this out right now with all this heat in New York. The stone you guys will receive in this box, or you should have received already because the box is already shipped out, is the black onyx. The black onyx absorbs and transforms negative energy. It's a wonderful stone to carry in your pocket. Fosters wise decision making, physical strength, and stamina. So that's it. Those are all the wonderful, exciting products that you guys should have received in your Green Beauty for Us summer box, the All Eyes on Me box. Sometimes Keisha does throw little hidden gems here and there in the box that is not mentioned on the card. So if you receive extra products, you know, that's just how she does it. She makes sure she packs your bag. She makes sure she packs your box with as much products as she can. It might not be mentioned, just a little extra, you know, a little extra added surprise for you. So hopefully you guys all received your box already. Hopefully this eye look inspires you on what to do with the eyeshadow when you get them. I'm sure you guys are going to create fantastic looks on your own. So when you do create those looks or recreate this look, go ahead and tag Green Beauty for Us in all of your social media links and taggation and all that stuff that we tag. Go ahead and make sure you put hashtag Green Beauty for Us so that she can see and repost all your looks. And that is it. I'm excited. That's it for the box. Once again, stay tuned for the eyeshadow look just to get an inspiration of what you can do with the eyeshadows that came in this box. Now let's cut to that clip right about now. First, we're gonna prime the eyelid with the Hint Beauty concealer in the shade Dark. Definitely took too much. I forgot. I haven't used this concealer in a while, and I forgot how thick it is. So let me just wipe some of it off. Now that the eyes are primed, don't kill me, but I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow from Laws of Nature Cosmetics. The reason why I say don't kill me is because this eyeshadow is no longer available. She does not sell eyeshadows anymore. She did at one point. She's more focused on the foundation side, the skin side right now. So, but I just feel like I want to do a blue look, and this is the only really dark midnight blue that I have. So you don't have to use this one. Use any color blue that you want. I mainly want to focus on the two shadows that came in the Green Beauty for Us box. So whatever color you have that's similar to this, or any other color you want to use, you don't have to use blue. Go ahead and use that. Feel free. The focus is definitely on the eyeshadows that were sent in the Green Beauty for Us subscription box, not necessarily everything else. So like I said, I'm going in with this shade. It's called Velvet Blue from Laws of Nature Cosmetics. No longer available. Sorry. And I'm going to just saturate most of my eyelid with that. Now we are going to just really blend that out the top areas with this Hint of Beauty Perfecto pressed eyeshadow in the shade Rosy Velvet. Take it all around the brow bone area just to soften the edge of it, of the blue. I'm going to take it all around. Alright, now we're going to attempt to do what all these girls are doing now. It's called a cut crease. I've never done a cut crease before. In case you guys don't know, I am not a makeup artist. I'm not an MUA. I just try things and have fun. So, I mean, we're going to try this cut crease situation. Let's see what happens. So once again, we're going to go in with the Hint Beauty Concealer in the shade Dark. I'm going to take a little bit this time because last time I took too much. I'm going to just carve out the shape of my eyeball. I think that's what they do for a cut crease. And just gently and slowly carve out the shape of my eyeball to apply the next eyeshadow step. Now that the crease is cut, I'm scared to open my eye because I don't want the concealer to mess up the rest of what I did. I don't know which shade to put on the lid though. Do I go in with rose gold on the lid, or should I go darker with rose wood? Rose gold would definitely add that pop of color, but rose wood though would just look more with the theme. I think I'm gonna go in with rosewood. So because these are loose pigments, you get a better color payoff if you wet your brush. So go ahead and do that. Wet your brush, which is what I just did. I'm gonna just gently tap a little bit on the brush. I refuse to open this eye because we're not messing this up. Then we're just gonna pat that all over our cut crease area. Gently, just so I could take on that shape. Take your time with it. You don't want to mess it up. So this is what we have so far. Next, we're going to use the Green Beauty for Us brand itself. This is their black eyeliner pencil and it's called Onyx Poetry. I'm back looking a little bit more put together. So off camera, I just finished off the face. I added lashes. I did my foundation, which is the Laws of Nature Cosmetics Foundation in the shade Chestnut. What else did I do? I did, what is this thing called? Concealer, which is the, right name? Shea Moisture Concealer in the shade Hazel. I think that's all I did. Yeah, so now I'm going to continue with the face. Didn't need to show you guys all of that because the focus is the eyeshadow. And it's my usual routine anyway. So I'm going to finish off with the face. I'm going to use the same Green Beauty for Us Onyx Poetry eyeliner pencil. And I'm just going to just tight line my bottom waterline. Rosy Velvet from Hint Beauty, which is like the brick red color, really dark brick red. And just take that under my waterline. This is the same color I had used to blend out the blue eyeshadow up top. So we're just going to take that down to the bottom. This is how it's looking. The bottom, real cute, I tell you. I am loving this look so far. Alright, let's keep going. Now we're going to go in with the rose gold. This is the second color that you guys would have received in your Green Beauty for Us subscription box. I'm going to use that in multiple ways. You know, get the most bang for our buck. First, we're going to take a little bit on a really small brush. And we're going to highlight the inner tear duct area. Look up so you guys can see. Cute, right? I know! Real cute. Now we're going to use a little bit of that. And now we're going to also highlight the brow bone with that. Okay, how we looking? Looking good? Alright. We're looking real cute, right? And the last way, we're going to use it one more time. One more way. The last way we're going to use it is as a highlight. Swirl it around in the cap. Dust the excess off. And we're going to highlight with it. That is really pretty. Whoa! That is a really pretty highlight shade. Yeah, right? Alright, you're feeling it. I love it. Love it gone to bed. Alright, you guys, and that's it. This is the look that I created using the eyeshadow products, the eye products that came in the Green Beauty for Us Summer All Eyes on Me subscription box. Hopefully you guys got an inspiration of how to use those eyeshadows. Hopefully you guys see how it's swatched on melanated skin tones. If you guys don't have these exact colors, the other colors that I use to incorporate with the looks, like the blue and the brick red, definitely use whatever color you have at home. You know, I'm not forced to get these colors, but just for you guys to get an inspiration. That is all. It's like, this look is just glowy AF. Like, you guys know I love me a good glow. Like, I love it. I love a good glow. Like, you know, like, look at that highlight though. When the skin is glowing, it looks healthy. It just looks rejuvenated. It looks oh, magnifique. Anyway, let me stop talking about myself because I'm starting to sound just a little bit conceited, you know, just a tad bit conceited. Anyway, let me not keep you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you enjoy the content and you want to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe if you're interested. And if you like the video, if you like my personality, hit the like button. It does help me. It does help my channel grow. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget, the link to get this box will be in the description bar. Get your box, create the looks, repost and tag, do it for the culture. The link to get your box is in the description bar. Not many boxes left, so definitely act on it very quickly. The boxes usually tend to sell out, so like I said, act on it quickly. And also, I will also link Keisha's video where she goes in full detail about all the products that are in the box. All right, enough rambling. Have a good day. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.